welcome back to my channel Nandulicious. I hope you all are cute and sexy as I am. Today's video is not like my usual boring videos. Today I have brought all of my stuff जो कि मुझे मिला है मुफ्त. Now you must be thinking कि भाई कहाँ से इतना फ्री का सामान मिल रहा है, कैसे इतना फ्री का सामान मिल रहा है? Let me tell you. All of this is I'm getting through Instagram collaborations. I'm so happy to get all the collaborations from Instagram क्योंकि I have to make reels for that and I love creating content. भले ही कैसा भी हो, cringe हो, कैसा भी हो. But I have made my way from Instagram to make पैसा. क्योंकि अब मुझे जो ऑलरेडी मैं प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर रही थी वो मुझे उन पर खर्च नहीं करना पड़ता. And this is how I save money. So today's point is to make you jealous of what I am getting and to show off all the products. The girls got everything. The girls got everything. The girls got everything. The girls got. So the first collaboration I got was a paid collaboration and it was from Try Unbound. बहुत सारी लड़कियों ने देखा भी होगा. There is a girl named Simran who make videos on personal hygiene and she offered me this menstrual cup and also she makes naughty cards. So these are the naughty cards and I got this. जिसमें कि menstrual cup आया था and menstrual cup applicator. I totally forgot कि applicator भी आया था जिसके through you can push the menstrual cup inside your vagina. जिसे करने में मेरे को बहुत डर लगा था, so I didn't do it. But this was the product and I was getting paid, so I was happy. So the next collaboration was from Quirky Hair and Quirky Hair sent me these 3 deck of cards, which was, first one was like family drama. I played it with my family and it was real fun, like बहुत मजा आया था. And second was Do or Drink and Truth and Dare, so I played it with my friends and it was also real fun, like बहुत मजा आया था जब हमने खेला था. So you can also try these, like these are party engagers, so if you want. Third is Birds of Paradise. I received this box from Birds of Paradise. I was literally planning on to do hair color and out of nowhere Birds of Paradise reached out to me, like कैसे सुना आपने मेरे दिल की आवाज़ कैसे सुनी. मुझे बहुत ऐसे एकदम हो गया था कि wow. Now I'm also planning to do some different color to my hair. तो अगर Birds of Paradise सुन रहे हो हाँ, तो Birds of Paradise gave me choice to choose any of the color from their website. So I did pick like the सबसे महंगा one. फिर they gave it to me. इसमें 2 colors थे, purple and blue. Yeah, purple and blue. तो मैंने अप्लाई किया था and the reel is on the Instagram, so you can check it out from there. So the next collaboration was from Little Extra. Little Extra Riceberry Sunscreen YouTube short has got the maximum number of views on my YouTube channel. You should see that because all of the comments are literally true. I am applying this sunscreen nowadays onto my face and literally it is so lightweighted. I mean, it doesn't feel heavy on your skin. I just love it. I love it. So I'm using this sunscreen nowadays. Also, I got the hairspray, like it was a regrowth hair serum from Little Extra. I gave it to my papa because he needs it. So these were the 2 products I got from Little Extra. Next up we have macaron. Karan, where are you? This is the product I love the most because this is the most expensive collab I have done so far. This is the first essence from Time Revolution. It is a K-beauty product and I just love it. I love it so much that I haven't used it till now, but I'll do it when I'll do the regular skincare. So I'm waiting for that day jab wo hoga, but I love it. I love it. Next up we have is the Otish. I have literally made a list of all the collabs I have done and I am going to bore you. So this is the package I received from the Otish, the Dancing Cow Oat Milk. So it had 2 tetra packs in it and मेरे 4 दिन का पैसा बच गया था दूध लाने का, तो मैं 4 दिन दूध नहीं लाई थी. Although it was used in Oreo shakes, I didn't make chai with it क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा था टेस्ट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट आएगा, बट इट वॉज गुड. मुझे पैकेजिंग अच्छी लगी. अब नाउ आई यूज इट एज सामान कीपर, मतलब मैं इसमें ऐसे कुछ भी सामान रख देती हूँ बहुत सारा अपना, तो मुझे अच्छा लगा. क्यूट. Next is we have holographic eyeliner. So this is the holographic eyeliner. I received it from M Caffeine. At first I was like in shock कि M Caffeine ने मुझे approach किया. And does M Caffeine make like all the cosmetic products because it is in like skincare, I guess. So I was confused. Then I researched बहुत सारा. फिर उसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि yes, it is now launching all the products from like lip tints to eyeliners to many more. So it was a holographic eyeliner. Loved it. Like ये से चिपक क्यों गया? अरे यार सूखना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, that's good. Still working. Nice. So it was nice, but I had more expectations from myself जब मेरे को इसकी वीडियो बनानी थी, but due to lesser resources I couldn't make a good video. मतलब मुझे ऐसे बहुत ऐसे दिमाग में था कि ऐसे बनानी, बट बहुत ही बकवास सी वीडियो बनी थी, तो I was disappointed in me. Next is Ayusham. So this is the package I received from Ayusham, and when I received it I was like कि भाई क्या है इतना सारा क्या भेज दिया. But then I got to know कि first it has like aloe vera gel, then it has fuller earth powder which is multani mitti. Next is the bath salt which I haven't used it yet, but I am curious to like know कि क्या करेगा ये, ऐसे पानी को नमकीन बना देगा या फिर क्या करेगा. And next we have is like all the roll-ons. One is like the sleeping roll-on, which is I'll tell you. It is like lift and calm, headache relief, and sleep well. So to be very honest, I kind of not like perfumes or fragrance around me क्योंकि वो मेरे सिर पे चढ़ती हैं. I love it, but क्योंकि they hurt me, तो I don't like it क्योंकि मेरे सिर में दर्द होने लगता है. तो I will not use any kind of fragrance while sleeping. मतलब ये तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं ऐसा. तो फिर but smell was good, so I'll use it as fragrance, like उसमें लगा के चले गए ऐसा वाला कुछ. Next up we have is Habits. Habits की बहुत ही बनी कहानी है. When I received Habits में मुझे teeth whitening products मिले थे, which were like this activated charcoal mouthwash and this activated charcoal teeth whitening powder and the brush. So at first I was like कि भाई मैं क्या बनाऊँ इसमें, because I already have yellow teeth. तो दैट डजंट मेक सेंस कि मैं बोलूँ कि भाई मेरे तो येलो टीथ थे, अब ये वाइट हो चुके हैं। नहीं, क्योंकि दिखता है कि अभी भी येलो है। तो I made a very fun reel ke, do you have yellow teeth? Then I'm saying, yes, I do have yellow teeth. Then you should try this. This will change your life. And so it was good. Next we have is the very well known brand Plum. I was so happy to receive products from Plum because I was already using this vanilla oil, and I was so happy to receive the same oil from the brand. It was like the most prestigious moment of my life कि भाई जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वही मुझे मिल रहा है. Nothing could be more beautiful than that. I was so happy. Huh. Though the products I received from Plum were this caramel lotion from Plum, and the kajal from Plum, the sunscreen from Plum, the face cream from Plum, the face serum from Plum, and not this but this chota version of this from Plum, vanilla oil. ये मजा आ गया. कुछ नहीं खरीदूंगी मैं अब, मैं सब ऐसे ही लगाऊंगी फ्री में. The next collaboration was from the brand Garnier. I received the sunscreen serum. It is like this. It is in the form of serum. So I received the sunscreen from Garnier. Everybody knows what Garnier holds the position. Like there might be people who do not know Plum, but everybody knows Garnier. Garnier, like मैंने बचपन से देखा है कि Garnier के products मम्मी जानती है, पापा जानते हैं, सब जानते हैं Garnier के products. तो I was happy. I was honored कि thank you. तो अब मेरे पास इतनी सनस्क्रीन हो गई है कि एक सनस्क्रीन, दूसरी सनस्क्रीन प्लम की सनस्क्रीन, लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा, एंड आई एक्सीडेंटली बॉट लॉरियल की सनस्क्रीन थिंकिंग कि भाई वो तो फेस वॉश है, मतलब फेस वॉश जैसा दिख रहा था, तो आई जस्ट पिक्ड इट एंड वो सनस्क्रीन निकली, मम्मी को दे दी. और आई ऑलरेडी हैड मिनिमलिस्ट सनस्क्रीन, तो बहुत सारी सनस्क्रीन हो गई थी. आई वॉज ऑल्सो थिंकिंग टू डू अ गिव अवे ऑफ सनस्क्रीन, मतलब कि भाई ले लो और फॉलोअर्स दे दो. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव इज माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट Quench snail mucin and Quench what is that, collagen boost moisturizer. I use it daily and let me show you, I have finished half of it. Look at this. खत्म. अरे यार बीच में कहीं वही नहीं है, but it is about to get finished. And also this, I love it. It makes my skin dry. I think ये ऐसे गर्मियों के हिसाब से ठीक है, but सर्दियों के हिसाब से it is not so good. But I love how non-sticky it is. Next up we have is the gel mucin from Bioderma. I don't even know कि ये कैसे और कब मेरे पास आ गया, but आ गया तो it's okay, बनाते हैं वीडियो, ऐसे था मेरा. It is also not even of my skin type, but क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट आया है तो कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा टास्क, तो I did make a video on this. It is like a gel, foaming gel, which doesn't even create foam, so whatever. Next up we have, last but not the least, Swiss Beauty products. I love it. मतलब मैं literally अभी नायका की सेल आई थी ब्लैक फ्राइडे की, तो I ordered many of the products. I was thinking to get one eyeshadow palette also, कि यार कभी किसी की शादी होती है तो फिर थोड़ा सा ऐसे ठीक रहता है, पर कुछ चीज़ों को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए मैंने वो ऑर्डर नहीं करी थी. एंड I think day after that ordering all the products, or 2 days after that, I got to know that I am gonna receive a eyeshadow palette. I love it. I love it. Look at this. Look at this. इसको तो मैं ख़राब ही ना करूँ, इतनी अच्छी लग रही थी मुझे. मैंने इसका शीशे पे से ये भी नहीं हटाया, पॉलीथिन. तो आई लव इट. आई रिसीव्ड द हाइलाइटर, ये खुल गया है, हाइलाइटर एंड द ब्लश इज़ सो गुड. मतलब बहुत गुड, बहुत गुड कह रही हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा. इट इज़ अ स्टिक, बट इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइक, अगर थोड़ा सा भी लगाओगे ना, यूल फील कि पाउडर फॉर्म में लगा हुआ है, ऐसे नहीं कि स्टिकी है, पाउडरी फॉर्म में. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. यू कैन बाई इट. एंड अ नॉन ट्रांसफर लिपस्टिक, brown lipstick. Who doesn't love it? I love it. So these were all the products which I received from the collaboration I get on Instagram. I hope you guys are jealous of me. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप लोग jealous हो गए, तो please be jealous of me और comment section में बता देना कि बहुत ज़्यादा jealous हो. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मेरी तारीफ हो रही है. So if you guys like this video, if you guys enjoyed it, please hit like, subscribe and share, and do not forget to comment. As I said, just write it down कि I'm so jealous of you. I'll get your feeling कि भाई ठीक है, मैं समझ जाऊँगी. Bye, love you all, bye.